Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create a multi-boot USB for all OS. Copy URL from description and paste it. Click Windows zip file. Click to download Ventoy Windows zip file. Open and extract downloaded file. Open ventoy2disk.exe file. Select your USB drive. Click Install. Click Yes to continue. Ventoy has been successfully installed to the device. Open File Explorer. Simply copy all ISO file and paste it into your USB drive. Boot with USB. Select any OS. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.